I had picked up these this rooster and a pig from Hobby Lobby. They were just plain wood. I did get these in the clearance aisle. I paid about $3.50 for them. So you may have a hard time finding these ones, but I do feel that Hobby Lobby does have these shapes here and there. So this is just an idea if you see just a plain, even just a cutting board that's in the shape of a pig or the rooster. So I started by just kind of more like a dry brush, so the white wasn't completely covering the wood, just to give it more like a rustic look. And then I just hit it with some sandpaper just to make sure I got any, extra debris off, especially since it's a little rougher of a piece of wood. And I did the same thing with the rooster. I found this stencil. I've had it for a while. As you can see, I've used it, but they still have it. It's at Hobby Lobby as well. It's in the show off section. They're about $2.50. And I'm just going to put this on the back part of the rooster's tail. And using a foam roller, a 4-inch foam roller, I'm applying a very dry coat of black. I'm really just loving this stenciled look on these farm animals. You've seen me do them in the past. And now I'm just going to go in and just create some detail in his face area. I'm going to go in with some black. I'm just kind of outlining the beak and the beard by creating this black. And then I'm going to do the actual head in the red and the beard in the red. And then I'm going to do another scalloped layer of the red. Very, very simple. I'm not doing a lot here. I feel like anybody, if they want to give this a try, could do this. The red is Republican red. And then this is goldenrod. And just so you know, we do have 2-ounce paint samples and a set of 6 at chocolatefancy.com. And these 3 colors are part of that set. I just put a dot for the eye in the snow owl. And then a very small dot for the eye in the black, just in the center of the eye. And he's very simple, but I loved how he turned out. In the pig, I'm also going to go in very simple. I'm going to use this stencil again on the hind end of the pig with my foam roller and very dry black. And then the front of him, I'm going to paint black. And then just keep that center white. And that's basically it. And here I just took these 2 shapes and bumped them up to the next level. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.